नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस में। दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट के लिए मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज़ पार्ट सेकंड। इसमें आपको मिलेंगे असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट से संबंधित 50 अति महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न। ये प्रश्न आपसे आने वाली परीक्षाओं में पूछे जा सकते हैं। मुझे रिक्वेस्ट आई थी मेरे कमेंट बॉक्स में कि इसका पार्ट सेकंड आप जल्दी अपलोड कर दीजिए, इसलिए मैं आज ये अपलोड कर रहा हूँ। दोस्तों, हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल से जुड़ने के लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन जाके वहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। वहाँ आपको रेगुलर करंट अफेयर और उत्तराखंड की पीडीएफ मिलेंगी। साथ ही में आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में इसका असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट का पार्ट 1 भी देख सकते हैं। तो शुरू करते हैं उत्तराखंड के लिए असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट के लिए मॉक टेस्ट पार्ट सेकंड। दोस्तों, क्वेश्चन मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चन बोलूँगा और आप उसको पॉज करें और फिर उसका आंसर दें। तो मेरा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द इंग्रेडिएंट ऑफ एंटिटी कन्वेंशन ऑफ अकाउंटिंग? एंड द आंसर इज द ओनर एंड द यूनिट आर ट्रीटेड सेपरेटली। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, which one of the following accounting equation is correct? And the answer is asset equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. The next question is, which of the one following accounting convention stipulates that contingent asset appear as footnote in the balance sheet? And the answer is disclosure. The next question is, which one of the following is not related to the convention of conservatism? And the answer is valuation of stock at market price or cost price, whichever is higher. The next question is, greater mechanization of offices result in? And the answer is greater accuracy in the work. The next question is, O&M can be strengthened chiefly through? And the answer is informal organization is a necessary as formal organization chiefly for reason that is. And the answer is builds moral. The next question is, after the commencement of the Company Act 1956, no person save as otherwise provisional section 276 shall hold office. And the answer is 20 companies. The next question is, a director having direct or indirect interest or concern in the transaction of company has to disclose his interest in the meeting to the? And the answer is board of directors. They must told to board of directors. The next question, analytical review by an auditor mainly includes? And the answer is study of ratio and trends. The next question is, which of the following pair is not correctly matched? This is a match of the following question. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? And the answer is omission of cash receipt from the debtor or understatement of sale. The main purpose of auditing is to? The main purpose of auditing is to? And the answer is certify financial position of business. The next question is, statement of standard auditing practices SAP are important while discharging the auditing function by the member of ICI in case of company because? Then the answer is prescribed by ICI. The selection of item to be included in audit on subjective basis without considering sample size or method of selection is? And the answer is random sampling. The next question, Under Section 25 of the Company Act 1956, there is a power to dispense with the word limited in name of certain association that may be registered as company with the limited liability. And the answer is central government. Next question. Which of the following is not a valid observation with the reference to the declaration of payment or dividend for a financial year? And the answer is 10% of the profit must be transferred to the reserve in all cases. The next question. The auditor must enclose that amount of premium on the issue share is not utilized for. And the answer is transferred to the capital redemption reserve. The next question. According to the Company Act 1956, every registered company shall have to disclose financial year approval shareholder submission. The answer is profit and loss account and balance sheet. Next question. The system of internal check ensure that. The answer is work performed by one employee is automatically checked by another employee. Next question. Which of the following is correct with the respecting to going concern convention? And the answer is the enterprise is not going to terminate its operation in period ahead. Next question is which of the following will leads to underestimate of net profit? And the answer is amortization of fictitious asset. Next question. Which of the following item is considered revenue expenditure? And the answer is changing a small component of a machine to maintain its operating efficiency. Some of these were hard to pronounce. Sorry for that. I hope you're liking questions. I request please subscribe the channel and press bell icon. The next question is which one of the following reports should have responsibility statement under the Company Act 1956? And the answer is Board of Directors report. The next question is minimum paid up capital required to incorporate a public limited company is. And the answer 10 lakh rupees. The next question is as per the Company Act 1956, who among the following must be included in audit committee constituted in a company? And the answer is auditor and internal auditor. Auditing describe your financial position of company. Internal audit report is submitted to. The answer is Board of Directors. Report is submitted to Board of Directors. The managerial function of organization involves. The answer is creating a structure of functions and duties to be performed by a group. Which one of the following is the most important function of manager? And the answer is directing. Next question. When there are large number of smaller projects and the activities of those projects are to be accomplished by setting up some temporary department, the appropriate organization structure should be. And the answer is project organization. The next question is which of the following is a major consideration for decentralization? And the answer is nature of manager management functions. The next question is, organization require narrow span of control if there are. Then the answer is mature subordinate within. Next question, which one of the following is not disqualified for appointment as an auditor of company? And the answer is a firm having chartered accountant as its partners. Which one of the following next question, amount shall be credited to the investor education and protection fund if they remain unpaid unclaimed for 7 years from the date of they become due? And the answer is mature debenture of a company. Any casual vacancy in the office of a statutory auditor caused by resignation of auditor shall be filled by company. And the answer is at the annual general meeting. The next question is, in verification of assets, the duty of auditor is, and the answer is to satisfy himself with regard to existence of ownership and the value of assets. The next question is, preparation of trial balance held mainly in, and the answer is locating error if any in books of amounts. The next question is, the basis of adopted for PC meals distribution of cash among the partners should be such that amount finally left unpaid are ration in which profit and losses are shared. The next question is, the scope of audit in the partnership firm is governed by, and the answer is agreement between partnership firm and auditor. The next question is, if an auditor does something wrongly in performance of his duty resulting in financial loss to the company, he will be held guilty of, and the answer is civil negligence. Next question is, the first standard auditing practice SAP1 is related to, and the answer is documentation. The next question is, which one of the following relating to the audit program is not correct? And the answer is the auditor cannot defend himself on basis of audit program if there is a charge of negligence against him. The next question is, the scope of management audit is determined by, the answer is shareholders. Next question, which one of the following traits describe properly organic or behavioral structure of organization? The answer is higher degree of specialization. Next question is, which among the following is most popular approach for accomplishing the result? The answer is management by objectives. Next question, a systematic and orderly process of determining worth of a job is related to the job is known as job specification is the answer. Job specification. Next question, which one of the following factors does not influence wage and salary structure? The answer is job rotation. Next question, which one of the following is direct advantages of incentive compensation? And the answer is increase in productivity. Next question, consistency with reference to application of accounting principle refers to a fact that accounting methods and procedure used have been consistently applied from year to year. The last question for this test series, An audit in which auditor examine financial statement of enterprises to express opinion as to whether or not reflect true or fair view of states. And the answer is financial audit. तो दोस्तों ये था उत्तराखंड असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट के लिए मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज। आपको पसंद आई हो, आई होप। दोस्तों डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैंने लिंक दिया है टेलीग्राम का उत्तराखंड सामान्य ज्ञान के लिए और उत्तराखंड करंट अफेयर के लिए। आप डिस्क्रिप्शन ज़रूर देखें, आपको वहाँ फेसबुक लिंक भी मिलेगा और आप वहाँ पे भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, बेल आइकन प्रेस करें, उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस। और मेरी उत्तराखंड सामान्य ज्ञान और उत्तराखंड सामान्य हिंदी को ज़रूर फॉलो करें, उन्हीं में से क्वेश्चन जरूर रिपीट होंगे। ओके गाइस, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, डू सब्सक्राइब।